Hello everyone, good evening. So this is Sana and today I'm going to speak about importance of confidence. Confidence means believing in ourselves and in our ability. When we have confidence, we are not afraid to speak, try new things and facing challenges. Confidence helps us to express our feelings and our thoughts to everyone. Confidence make us bold in our life and even people give more respect to the person who speak with confidence. Confidence is very important in our life, either it's personal or professional. Like in personal life, if we have confidence, so we can do anything and we can say anything in our to our parents. But when we don't have confidence, so we can't say our parents what we want, what we want to do, what we want to um, where we want to go. But like in professional life, if we have confidence, so we can crack any entrance exam, give interview easily, and we can get job easily. Confidence is very important. Confidence has changed our I can't into I can. I have so many examples of confident people who achieve everything in every field, like leader and fighters. Our fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose. They all are led to our country confident in truth and confident in non-violence. And other sector is like business and entrepreneurship. They are Dhirubhai Ambani, Ratan Tata. They both are started their career very less amount of money, but more confidence. And third one is Olympic and sports field. There are so many like MS Dhoni, who is known for his cool confidence, even under the pressure. And the second one is MC Mary Kom. She is known for boxing, and she proved that women can do everything with the confidence. And Sachin Tendulkar, he is known for legend of cricket because of his bold confidence. And in the field of science and studies, we have APJ Abdul Kalam and CV Raman. They both are confident Indian scientists. Confidence is everything. When we don't have confidence, we can't do anything. If we have money, if we have time, if we have career option, if we have dream job, they all are useless, because when we don't have confidence, we can't manage our time, we can't focus on your career, we can't get opportunity to our parents, like what we want to do, we can't express anything to our parents, because confidence is one of the key of happiness and success. I have another a very bold example of confident people, who is Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra is also very confident person. She always believes in herself. She bravely faced criticism, and she also carried India to the global stage very proudly. So in the last, we all should try to build our confidence, and we all should try to improve our confidence. Thank you.